Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.7% against the dollar. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Many big tech companies in China, including Tencent Holdings and Alibaba Group, have been laying off workers in recent months as China became mired in a prolonged battle with COVID-19 outbreaks. Xiaomi is now joining the list. London Stock Exchange Group announced that it has agreed to acquire Arcadia, a provider of automated uncleared margin processing and integrated risk and optimization services for the global derivatives community. Core Scientific, one of the largest Bitcoin miners by computing power, filed for bankruptcy as the crypto winter continues to take its toll on the industry. The company filed for Chapter 11 at Southern District of Texas Bankruptcy Court. The miners' estimated liabilities are between $1 and $10 billion.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's current account will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. Italy's producer price index at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's national consumer price index will be released at 2330 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 2350 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 0 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.